Well, hello there, YouTube. Today's Saturday. What is it? Oh, Lord. February 24th? 25th? I forgot. Didn't look at the calendar. But anyway, it finally stopped raining. I think we've had rain all week. I think Monday I rode, but it was just like windy as, like, 30-degree wind with like just gusted or even higher than that. But anyway, today has kind of stopped raining, and it actually is warm. It says 66. I think I just got it out of the garage. I think I'm supposed to be like probably 70 today. So it's really nice weather. Cloudy, but at least it's not raining. A little breezy, but not windy. So just out for a cruise. Kind of go see if I can fly that drone a little bit. Just to do something. I haven't been a while since I've flown it, a few weeks, just because of the weather's been so nasty. But anyway, I got my Hero 5 Black on here. I think this is going to be my camera now. It's a little smoother. I am off of Sena, only because it's hell, they're never going to release it. They came out in December 2016 with a coming soon on the EVO, 10C EVO, and that was December 2016, and it's still not out. So I'm off of it. I won't even buy it when it comes out. It'll probably be way overpriced, like the GoPros were when they came out, and they've had to reduce their prices because they weren't selling them. So Sena will have to do the same. But anyway, I'm off of it. I'm not going to get it. My wife doesn't. The only reason I actually wanted it, because I used to have the backpack on the Hero 4 Silver, and the battery went dead and died, wouldn't charge anymore, and they didn't want to buy a new one. And the only reason I wanted it, so when we travel, when we talk, my wife's voice comes out on the video as well, and so she doesn't like that anyway, so I'll just stick with the GoPro. Bye, Sena. Not buying the 10C EVO. Well, unless you price it at like $250, which I doubt, because even your old 10C, which is awful, 10C is $349, so there's no way. Overpriced, not a good product, not good video, so I'll stick with GoPro. I wish GoPro would actually fix their Hero 5 Black and Hero 6 Black. They do actually have Bluetooth, but they block it only to use with your phone. So they could actually open that up where it would sync to the Sena headsets. I know they can do it. They just refuse to do it. That would kill the Sena 10C EVO if they did that, which they really should do, because who would need it? Well, they're not going to release it anyway. But anyway, out for a cool ride. Nice ride. Bye. Well, I probably shouldn't have walked out there in the mud. My shoes were covered in mud. I kind of scraped them off a little bit. Pretty nasty. Ooh, I got my phone in my... Oh, crap. What did I do with my wallet?